total, I have not counted, there are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around seven is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one-on-one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad Kesama, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants, those candidates who are seeking party tickets. So we have been meeting them, we have been consulting them so that we get their support, we get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. With great difficulty, one more thing I wanted to inform you. We have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing Siju constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision because question of winnability is also there. So therefore, we have denied him the ticket. But we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision.